Oh hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. You join us at the Wildbad Departure Lounge. And we're going for a cheeky little overnighter with a great bunch of lads. All led by Mr. Richie Vida. So let's get all calmed up. No one knows where we're going. But yeah, it shall be an amazing little night out. Okay, so that is now set up. Although, yep. Yep, that's gone through onto there. Good.
Is everyone switched on?
Yeah, I'm on. Start grouping. Thank you. Where's your clothes, Kev?
I'm only small.
You got trainers in there?
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Yes, cams are still in one piece.
Oh, Richie's making friends. So guys, so we just took a lovely ride all the way up to Yorkshire. We've been to Squire's Cafe for a nice little breakfast. I think the route now is about another 4 hours. So yeah, switching cameras on now. I didn't record any of the first bit. Thought we'll put cameras on now. Yeah, that's all of us, mate, yeah. That was amazing. Absolutely amazing.
There's a smile, Kev, come on.
Yeah, I'm 99% sure there's like a 10-mile route. Track. Yeah. Oh shit, no. I thought that was going then. No, I thought it was going. Yeah, Kev, I think that suits you a bit better, mate. It's still orange. This way, Kev. Okay. Well, guys, yeah, so in the hotel room. Oh, yes, look at that. I've got eyes on the bikes as well, yeah. It's good, that is. Oh. Nice. I'm absolutely looking like a state. Shower. What more do we want? I've got a double bed to myself. Haha. Unlucky K. Yeah, this is great. Right. Showered, changed, bar sorted. Well, guys, we had a lovely night here at the Lodge Hotel. Great company, barrel of laughs. We have no agenda whatsoever today. I think it is just going to be a case of just riding around. I think we're going to go down to the beachfront and get a nice coffee on the beach. And then, yeah, make our way back. And on the way back, I'm then going to call into my grandparents' house and have a cup of tea. And then, yeah, take a nice steady ride back home. Ready for work again tomorrow. So, yeah. We shall see. Yeah. Oh, is it? Oh, okay. No. Well, I thought that went straight on. Yeah. Oh. Oh, what are these doing? Oh, I want to play. I want to play. You ready? Car. Car coming down. Fucking hell, that's tight, isn't it? What, is that the start line again down there, is it? Mark's here. I thought you was Gaz behind me. Gaz was behind me, weren't he? Gaz shot straight off, yeah. Here he comes. Fucking hell, he did a fast loop, didn't he? He did a fast lap, didn't he? You join me now at the end of the overnighter with Mr. Richie Vida. I just want to say a massive thank you to Rich for organising that again. There were 7 of us in total: myself, Rich, Gaz, Norway Kev, Carl, Mark and PP. You know, a great bunch of lads. We had an absolute amazing time. Myself and Mark, we cut off from Oliver's Mount. The time was about 11:30ish, and I did say that I wanted to call into my grandma and granddad's on the way home, have a cup of tea. You know, they live what, a good hour and a half away from where I live. Yeah, I didn't want Mark riding back on his own. That was one of the reasons, but also I get to go and spend an hour with my grandparents, who I don't see very often because they don't live that close to me. So that's been nice. So I'm now roughly about 20 minutes away from home, and I thought I can actually do some talking in the video, because although we've been on comms, you just wouldn't understand what we're talking about or what, because I wouldn't have anyone else's audio. But in summary, we started at the departure lounge Saturday morning, 8 o'clock. We took a beautiful ride up to Squire's Caff, where we had our breakfast. Then from Squire's we took a Richie Vida scenic route through the Yorkshire moors onto our destination, which was the Lodge Hotel. Lovely little B&B. You don't need much. Well, personally I don't need much. I need hot water and I need a bed. The rest I can live with. So I was happy. Woke up this morning and there was no agenda, as you would have seen when I woke up this morning. We took a little ride to the seafront in Scarborough. We had a cup of tea on the beachfront, and then we went and had a little play around at Oliver's Mount, which I never knew. It's first time for me being there. I will admit, safely, everything we did was safe. We're not idiots, but I can imagine there is a few idiots that do go there. The bike, I've really bonded with this bike this weekend. I don't know what it is, but I have actually, first time, really bonded with it. The bike has been faultless, it has been flawless. I've had a lot of fun on it, so that is always a win. One thing I do want to say is, I know I've not got many videos out lately, and I don't know why I've not got videos out lately, but being away this weekend has made me realise how much I love it, how much I love being away on the bike. I'll do. Everything about it, you know, like-minded people, plenty of laughs, beautiful roads. There is no better feeling. So maybe this might be a new turning point again. Hopefully we're going to get some videos out. I had an idea for a video, it didn't work, so I wasn't able to record it. I do have some ideas, and I just need to pull my finger out and get it done. But I'm going to sign this video off, and like I said, I just want to say a massive thanks to Rich and the lads for this weekend. Very much needed. Yeah. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you, Rich and the lads. And until the next one, I hope you stay safe out there. I hope you've enjoyed it. And we shall see you very, very soon.